Hello guys, so we're playing Roblox and we're playing Roblox Build a Boat for Treasure, and thank you guys for watching my video today, and then don't forget to like and subscribe, and then let's start. Okay, let's save something. SSSS. Then if we load it, you need to get the butter, this butter. If you want to get the butter, first go to menu and quest. You can press find me, and then if you're done finding the find me quest, and then you will have 25 butters. You need this too. You need this. You can buy it on the store here. I got two of them. I buy it in the store. Here, it's just 45 gold bars. And then put the butter in the bottom. Then launch. Now now you can walk. You can fly too. You can fly. Wee! Wee! Okay, wee! Wee! Oops! Oh no! Ah! Oh. And then we are here at the treasure. We are already here at the treasure, guys. Let's open it. Wow! So many gold bars. So many. There's so many gold bars. Wow! But I missed the crocodile. Now I got 1,278 gold bars. Okay. Okay. Let's do that again to get some infinite money. They didn't know. It's here. Then lunch. Okay. I'm here. Look, I am the green team. Green. I am here at the green team. So easy. Guys, it's so easy if you have the butter, the wood, and the roller. Oh no! My boat got damaged. My boat got damaged. Whee! Toxic chemicals. Boom. Wee! Wee! And if you're still flying, you can press the butter to remove the butter. And let's go. Let's go. Wee! Yay! Got it. We are rich. Okay. So let's do it again 3 times. Then we're going to do something if we're done doing the glitch witch. Glitch, more like witch. Okay, this is cool. I hit. Let's go up. And then remove the butter. Then we're here. Eee. Wow, that's complete. We got 105 gold bars. 2 more to be rich. This is so easy, guys. Then go here. Oh, this is so fast. Ah. Let's go to the treasure. Let's go to this treasure. Yay! Got more. I didn't complete the others, but I don't care. Last one. Let's go. Oh no! Ow! I almost died. Oh no! Ah. Yay! The last one. Yay! Yay! We completed, but that. But anyways, let's roll some players. Let's roll some players by using these saves called magnetic load. Ooh. Let's just remove those. And then let's add this. Okay. Save it. Now, if it's saved, you can use it now. Launch. I will press this button, lever, Now look at the chair. It's floating. The chair is floating. Now we can troll other players using this chair. And the magnetic magnet. Huh? They're talking about something. Where's my chair? Where's it? Nasaan yung chair ko? Yun! I found my chair. Turn the magnet on. Okay. Get the chair. Now we got the chair. With our powerful magnetic oh no! Turn the magnet on. Yo! Yo! There's the biggest balloon! It's so big! Look at that yellow balloon and the airplane over there. How did they do that? Did they pay Game Pass? What the? What? Oh! Look at this. Weird balloon. Okay. Let's get this. I'm lagging. Why don't you guys make a boat instead of talking? I think I'm disconnected. Waiting for me to disconnect. Oh, I wanna join. Wow, look at this beautiful boat. That's not a boat. That's a tank. Cute tank. He said cute tank. Wow. Whoa. Look at those. What are those? Are they gonna shoot? Okay. Okay. Hehe. No. I like your boat. I mean tank. Bro. They just kicked me in their team. What? They are so mean to me. I'm just telling. I'm just asking a question. Let's get into the boat and turn this on. O-M. Oh my dog. What is that? What the heck is that? What the? Oh no! My PC is lagging! Guys, my PC is lagging! It's breaking my PC! And my boat! And my boat, no! Uh, Trying to get my boat! Uh, so many balloons! My PC cannot hold it anymore! What is happening? Oh no! Where's my boat? There's so many strings! What are they doing? What the? Yeah, he's saying laggy lag. Because you did this. That's your fault. Oh no. So lag. Where's my boat? Yes, I found it. Found my boat. Let's move. Let's get out of here. We can do this. Yes. We finally escaped. Wait. Okay. Let's start. Why is it not working? Let's reset. Okay. Let's get the treasure. Let's get the treasure. Let's get this. Butter and lunch. Whee! Whoa! This is so cool. Ah! So fast! Oh! Ouch! That hurts. And then let's go. Ah! Remove the butter. You have to remove the butter. Oh no! We are dead. Ah! We're dead. We're dead. Oh. 3 eighths. Let's see what we get something at the store. Is that a camera? Okay, let's buy this. Let's join to other team. Okay, let's join to them. Let's join to them. I wanna join and test those cameras. on. Guys, let me join. I'll join the white team. Why don't they want me to join? Let me join. Let me join. Let me join. I want to join now. Let me join. Let me join. You're not looking to the chat. What is that? What's that noise? Oh. I might just do something else. No, not this, not this, not this. I'm a ban ticket because he's swearing, bro. Type of abuse and swearing and me. Done. We have reported him. Wait. Yes. 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 How many is our blocks? Let's test the camera. Let's test the camera. running out of blocks. No, I ran out of blocks. Let's use this now. No, I ran out of blocks. When this happens, it makes me angry. And let's save this. Not yet, but let's remove this. Let's make a chair for my friend. And then let's make a chair for mine. And then let's make a door. Then we have door. Oh! Look at that airplane. Now let's add something here. And then let's put a camera here. Here. And you bro, stop. I'ma shoot him with my ultimate jump power. If he come back here, I'ma shoot him. You're dead. Bro, I'm recording. I hate furries. Yo! 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 He's a Neko! He's a Neko! He's a furry Neko! Yes. hate Neko. I hate Neko, man. If you guys want me to report that gay Neko, then let me report. And then welcome to my master of peace. Let's save this house. Save. Now let's load. Whoa. Look at this. Can we start? This lunch. No, not this. Close the door. How do we use this camera? Oh. Exit. This thing is a little hard to control. Because it's so heavy. So heavy. It's so... I give up. Let's make it cooler. Let's make it cooler. House. Yes. Look, it's creating. Now we have to use let's remove this first. Let's add something here. To a cooler camera. Remove this one. There's the airplane. Look, the Neko is here. Let's shoot it. Let's shoot. Wait. Let's buy something useful. We can buy this. Wow. This thing is cool. Okay. We can use those. What? Those are big balloons. There's something wrong is happening here. Look at that plane. Wow. It's a flying, spinning plane. Then let's launch. Okay. Oh, it's lagging. I forgot to save it. Oh. I forgot to save it. Okay. Just save it again. Loading mode. Why is it taking so long? What if we remove the now? It's taking so long. It's taking so long. By the way, guys, thanks for watching my videos and channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching my full video. Bye bye.